is there a magic number for how many minutes a cardio is enough for a teenagers, and do most teenagers meet that benchmark? And also, is it possible for a teenager to have too much cardio that can actually mess up their metabolism and their hormones? And what is the best way to make a teenager more excited to meet the goal of the daily exercise? Can 3 minutes be enough? First of all, the American Academy of Pediatrics recommends a minimum amount of 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous exercise for teenagers that want to stay healthy. Now, what do we mean when we say moderate exercise versus vigorous exercise? Moderate exercise is the type of exercise that while you're doing it, you can still talk. That's like a simple rule. You cannot sing because singing requires more effort, so you're not able to sing, but you're able to talk. Now, for example, what are some exercises of moderate activity? It will be like walking fast. It will be like dancing. It will be riding your bike or walking the dog fast. That would be examples of moderate intensity activity that when a teenager does, they can do it and they can still talk but not sing. Now, what are some examples of vigorous activity? Vigorous activity is the type of activity that you're actually breathing loud, your heart rate is beating fast, you find it very hard to talk. You may be able to say a few words, but you can actually hold a conversation. So examples of vigorous activity would be if you're running